Children, in this chapter, we are going to study the different materials that are being used by us in our day-to-day life. And first material that we are going to study is the material that is used for cleaning our teeth. And we are going to study what are the ingredients of these materials, what are the uses of these materials, and how they are made. Now, first of all, let us see the olden story of these materials that were used for cleaning our teeth. See, the substances used for cleaning teeth in olden times were acacia bark, ash, tooth powder, neem twigs, salt, pomegranate rind. And with the help of these materials, they used to clean their teeth. What happened? In the period prior to 500 BC, the countries like China, Rome, Greece, they made their toothpaste using bones as well as shells. Then, after some years, in 19th century, the toothpaste was prepared by using soap as its ingredient. But later on, the toothpaste were made by using the chalk-like material. And the first commercial toothpaste was made by the Colgate Company. It was made by Colgate Company in New York City in 1873. This was the first commercial toothpaste and it was made in New York City. Now, let us see what are the general ingredients those are used in our toothpaste. See, Colgate, Cibaca, there are so many brands in the market. And Meswak. Now, on these packings of this toothpaste, there are some things written on it. For example, they have given the ingredients, those are present in this toothpaste. Then the manufacturing date and expiry date is also given here. Then the name of the company is given here, the weight is also given here, and whether it is in gel form, whether it is in crystal form, whether it contains salt, whether it contains cloves, all these things are given here on the pack, and the weight in grams is also given here. All these things are mentioned on the this toothpaste box. And now let us see the main principal ingredients of our toothpaste. First of all, the major ingredient is calcium carbonate. Calcium plays very important role in the protection of teeth. And calcium carbonate, its function is it removes the dirt on our teeth. Whatever the dirt is present on our teeth, and that is removed by calcium carbonate. Then calcium hydrogen phosphate is also there in our toothpaste. And what is its function? It polishes the teeth. Calcium hydrogen phosphate is useful for polishing our teeth. It gives it shining appearance. Then fluoride. Fluoride is also very important material. So let us see what is its function. It helps to prevent tooth decay. Tooth decay is a very major problem in children, and this tooth decay is prevented by using fluoride that in our toothpaste. Also, it is used for strengthening of bones and enamel covering. The bones, those are holding this teeth as well as enamel covering. It is strengthened by this fluoride. In this way, this toothpaste, They are very important because our day begins with our toothpaste, isn't it? Okay, now you have to see which toothpaste contains which ingredients on the box as well as its covering. You have to read it and study whatever I have given it and revise everything. Okay, thank you.